Alright guys, and welcome back to Ask NK. In today's video we're talking about Godot or Godot, depending on what side of the planet you're coming from. Your pronunciation definitely would actually matter. And what we're talking about is this is a free, right, and an open source game engine. It is an open source game engine that you can use for creating 2D and 3D games. It comes with a lot of features, right? And these features are things that you would definitely find in high-end games, but you can find them for free directly here. So most of the things that you can do in both Unity, CryEngine, and also Unreal, yes, of course, you can do them here. Maybe with a little bit of not so much complicated stuff, but basically every single thing you need to build your games, you can find them here. And a lot of people that actually work with Blender will have an idea about this already. But today's video is not about singing the praise of this software, but to talk about the $50,000 fund that has been issued out to these guys by the Mozilla Open Source Support Program. And this amount is to be channeled for several development. And if you go over to the website, links are all going to be in the description. You're going to find out that they have about 3 core agendas that they want to sink this amount into. And by the way, this is not the first time that they're receiving money or receiving fund from the guys at Mozilla. Actually, in 2016, there was an amount that was issued out to them. I guess 20,000 or so was issued out to them, and there, of course, they also use that in the development of the engine as it is right now. But up until this time, for this amount that has been given to them, they have 3 core things that they want to do with them. The very first one of them is they want to be able to make this engine work directly on your browser. And this will make a lot of sense because it's going to drive a lot of people to use this engine. First and foremost, it is free. Secondly, it works on the browser. So hopefully a lot of people would actually use this engine a lot more. And they're working towards making sure that it is also going to be multi-threaded at the same time once you're going to be using it on the browser. They're also making plans to make it possible for you to be able to use it on the mobile browser and also on touchscreen devices. The next big thing which they are also planning to do with this amount that has been issued out to them is to make sure that it has a network API. Okay, so the network API is going to be able to integrate with the WebRTC technology that exists right now, and not just the WebRTC, but also the WebSockets, so that you can be able to have plugins and use these plugins wherever you want them to be. And finally, they would like to use this amount to also create artworks which are going to be of high quality that they can use to demo and also sell the idea of this software being in existence, and for other artists out there that doesn't really have the amount to spend to, you know, get this software and use it. And to me, this initiative makes a lot of sense because not everyone has the computer power to actually run a game engine, and a lot of people are limited by the fact that maybe they cannot compile faster on their computers and all of those things. But once it's on the web browser, then all you have to deal with is your internet connection, and since it's open source, it's free, so you can just dive there and do whatever you want to do. I wish this is something that the guys at Epic Games can come up with as well. Being a fan of the Unreal Engine, this makes a lot of sense if they can come up with something like this. But the Godot engine is here. You can go ahead and download a copy for free. They have one for Linux, Windows, and also for Mac. If you want to give some donations, you can also go over to the Patreon page and also donate to this course. Tell me what you guys think about this in the comment section below. Do you like this engine? Have you used it before? Tell me what your thoughts are about this amount that has been issued out to them and the plans that they have. Links are all going to be in the description in case you want to read more about this. And also keep an eye on the notification because we might be doing a giveaway this month. And if you like this video, simply give it a like and don't forget to share with your friends. And if you're new here, it would be amazing if you can just hit the subscribe button and also turn on notifications so you'll be the first to know once we upload a new video. And until I see you guys again with a review, tutorial, updates, free Friday, tips and tricks, things like this, peace.